Hey, it's Joe Lyons, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to add toolbars to AutoHotkey Studio. So when you start off, it's blank, and I think especially for people new to using Studio, it's really hard to get used to it because you don't know any of the hotkeys, and it just people want when they begin to have a GUI at the top with some menu items. You can still use all the menu items, sorry, but whoa, hey, wrong thing. So I'm going to add a toolbar. So I'm going to split Control. I'm going to do it above, and I'm going to add a toolbar. And Studio does come with a built-in toolbar that has two icons, and I'm going to go ahead and add to that. So I'm going to right-click here and say Edit Toolbar. In here, I'm going to so actually these are different toolbars, by the way, if I remember right. But we'll look at that here in a bit. But I'm going to say, let's say I wanted the under File. Oh, New is good, and now New. That's not terrible, but let's. Oh, not load file, default icons. So if I want to change that icon, like to me, this is a better one for that. And because I'm highlighted on new, that's how I know which icon I'm going to update. If I wanted to update the open, I could click on it first and then update the open icon. Let's do a close. I like a close, and that one, yeah, that's kind of like a stop kind of close. Oh, there's no save? Okay, I think a save would be good to have in here. Now, here, the other thing, don't worry about the order right now. The order you change after you do this. So, and it's easy. It's just not built into this interface. I thought I saw some icon, like the... Isn't there like 3.5? Oh, that'll work. So, save. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a compile button. What would I use for that? So for compiling, I'll just use this, just so it's distinctive. New include, new, none of those. So what I would recommend is you fish around, you look at the stuff you like that you want to have in your menus. I remember, what did I do? Format. The pub, you know what? Pub options. Let's go that, because publish I often forget. I think that's probably under here. Oh, or not. Oh, it's probably in our tools. So there's run. So that's this one right here. Oh, highlight selected area and run it. That's cool. Clear selected. Kill process. Ooh, let's I like that. Let's do a kill, and actually that would be good for that. Run selected text. Actually, I do like that, but I don't do it often enough. Run as bookmarks. So a lot of these, I think you could install. Like, actually, we could have a button for settings. Let's do that. I thought it would have been under. Oh, what's commands? Look at insert code. No, none there. Navigate. No, I don't want anything navigating with this. View. You know, sometimes Studio will occasionally the library, the what do you call it? The project library needs to get refreshed. So Code Explorer, no. Current index, current file, refresh current file, refresh variable list. Ooh, actually that one can come up. Every once in a while, sometimes you're typing and it doesn't notice you added a new variable, and so that would help with that. And refresh Project Explorer. We'll do that. Actually, I shouldn't do that. That from that's fine. Whatever. You get used to it, right? Display classes, display functions, blah blah blah. Help. No, I don't want to do that. Actually, I saw. Let's do external programs. that add? I didn't see that add. Maybe that's not sure what's going on with that. So tools, commands, navigate, view. Is it under tools? Because I added one a while ago when I was playing around, external program. I don't know why it's not adding the button there. Let me try to navigate to it. Let me just get the path from my shortcut to site. I like to cheat a lot and just dump it in there. Yeah, that's interesting. It's not, doesn't seem to be adding it. But let's go ahead and close this, and then let's drag things around. So if you're on a icon, like here's the, I would want the close closer, so I can hold down Shift and drag and move it. New I want first, so I'm holding down Shift and dragging. So new, open, run I would put closer to this way. Close, save, actually run, I'd put that on the left there, and that would be to my settings, refresh variable list, great. You can also, if you click somewhere, or maybe it's double click, it'll come up with this other window, which you can see them and you can move them this way if this is more convenient for you, it makes more sense to you. Interesting, I'm not sure what, oh, and you can add a separator in between sections. So let's say I want it after the close and run. Actually, let's do it here. I'm going to add a separator. So notice that little separator. The other thing you can do is you can grab the item and Shift and move it just a little bit and let go, and that'll add a separator as well. So that's basically it. I would say go through and look at all the commands, look at the things you do frequently, and especially when you're new, right? It's really nice having buttons up top and being able to customize that. And you know, honestly, no matter what program you're in, customize your toolbars, right? Almost every program, Windows program, you can customize the toolbars, and it's super helpful to be much more efficient. So hope that helps. Thanks.